Baking and toasting have never been more delightful than with the Keenstone Retro Toaster 2-Slice. This charming and efficient toaster is a must-have addition to your kitchen, combining safety, versatility, and delectable toasting results. Let's explore why this toaster is the ultimate choice for every breakfast lover out there. Bake and eat in safety, premium quality, your health priority. The Keenstone Retro Toaster is crafted with the highest quality 18/8 stainless steel, ensuring durability, non-toxicity, and Bpa-Free safety. You can toast various kinds of bread with confidence, knowing that your health is safeguarded. The metal Cool Touch housing adds an extra layer of safety, making toasting easier and faster while ensuring a rapid cool-off for safe use. Delicious toast to your liking, customized browning at your fingertips. Say goodbye to generic toasting experiences. The Keenstone Bread Toaster features 6 browning settings, allowing you to customize your toast to perfection. Whether you prefer lightly toasted slices or a rich golden brown, this toaster caters to all preferences and tastes. Multiple functions available. Convenience redefined. Why settle for an ordinary toaster when you can have one that does it all? The Keenstone toaster boasts 3 versatile functions: bagel, defrost, and cancel. Whether you need to cancel baking, enjoy perfectly toasted bagels, or unfreeze your favorite bread, this toaster has got you covered. Extra wide slots for all your toasting needs. No more limitations on bread thickness. The Keenstone Retro Toaster is thoughtfully designed with 2 extra wide slots that can accommodate thicker bread slices, Texas toast, bagels, and other pastries. Now you can savor a wide variety of toasts with ease. Easy to clean. A tidy kitchen is a happy kitchen. Cleaning up after a delicious breakfast is a breeze with the Keenstone toaster. The removable crumb tray ensures effortless cleaning. Simply pull it out and dispose of the crumbs easily. Say goodbye to mess and hello to a tidy kitchen. Embrace the joy of delightful toasting with the Keenstone Retro Toaster 2-Slice. Experience safety, customization, and versatility all in one fantastic kitchen companion. Whether you're a toast enthusiast or a breakfast lover, this toaster is sure to become your daily go-to appliance.